Hi, we are going to learn today is what is dividend valuation model. This model connects three things, which are earnings, your dividends, and the internal rate of return, or you can say reinvestment returns to calculate the fair price of a share. I have a formula here. The P is equal to our D. It's dividend plus R over K, A minus D over K, and R is the internal rate of returns, which is 15. You can say 15%. Make it 15%. Cost of equity is also 15%, and let's calculate it. R over K is R divided by K. Okay, it's 1.25%, and E minus D is E minus D, so it's 6. So now put the values here according to the formula. So let's add the equal sign, and first of all we have D, and here's the D plus R over K. Here's the R over K, and multiply it by E minus D. Okay, add the brackets on the both sides. Wait, you have a need to add the brackets first, and divide the whole value with K. So here's the price of the share according to the Waters model. So uh, this is the Waters dividend model. It tells us how dividend policy and reinvestment decisions affect the values of a share. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more finance tutorials with example, action example. We'll see you in the next video. Goodbye now.